Well, hello, welcome back to Danny Adventures OG, and today I'm taking you to this part of Dodoma, which is a little bit out of the city, which is called Chidachi. So, as you can see, this place, bro, it's beautiful, it's cool, it's chill. Look at the roads, how they are made. The road is quite clear, though it's a two-lane road. It is not very busy. And what I discovered in this place is that there's still a plenty of plots that are not acquired by houses. As you can see, like on my right side, you can see there is like the grasses, tall grasses. Is it a brush? Yeah. So, and the road is quite chill and it's cool. The road is cool. Look at the environment. It's beautiful. If you want or you need a place that is chill, this is the most chill place I can say. As all of us, we know that Dodoma is still developing, so there are still a plenty of places that are not acquired by houses. As you can see before, like you have seen it before in my videos, if you have been following me, and if you haven't been following me, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be updated of more places in Dodoma. You can see a lot of places like the POV, like right here. Look at the buildings. Though I have this question in my head, that why in Dodoma there are no tall buildings like in Dar es Salaam. I don't know why. Is it the land or the people who are investing haven't found Dodoma that it's a suitable place? I don't know. Look, like right here, look at the plots, empty plots. I don't know if they are already taken or they are free. If anyone want to buy, can get a place here. I'm not sure, but they are all open. There are a lot of open spaces in Dodoma. As you know, Dodoma isn't that crowded by houses. It's not crowded by houses. You see, there are like houses in here, in this place in Chidachi. Look at the whole place. You can see it from far in a wide angle. What I like about this place, look at the road. It seems like it's still new, and there are these light poles. You see? Look at the place. The place is still empty in Chidachi. But to tell you, I will find a time to go straight inside the streets. You will see there are a lot of beautiful houses. Not all buildings, but simple houses. They are very beautiful. They are modern. They are still brand new. Yeah, the place isn't that very covered by, I can say, the mansions. But there is this place that is called Itega, bro. Wait for it. There is a video about Itega. It's coming soon. I got a chance to go there. The place is covered by a lot of big mansions, beautiful houses, big rocks. So please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from my channel. Danny Adventures OG. Look at the buildings, the houses. They're still new. Some of the houses are still under construction, but they are beautiful. Look at like that one. It's inside the fence. Quite beautiful. If you would like, look at this beautiful building right here. It's like a one-floor building. It's inside a beautiful fence. Look at those flowers that resemble the coconut trees right here. Look at the hill from far. To tell you, that is a very, very big hill, and it's got a lot of big rocks. They're gigantic. They're very big and huge rocks. I will find a time to go take a video over there to film those big rocks. Sorry, something distracted me, so I promise I will go there. So don't miss out my videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell, don't forget to comment down below if you can, share. Yeah, you're free to do that. Look right here, this is a clean road. It is still brand new, it's very clean, and right here you'll be heading to this place called Kinyambwa. So yeah, so that's it. Like you have seen behind, you've seen like short buildings, and the place is totally covered by short buildings. A few tall buildings, like one stair, I can say one flat. Yeah, and constructions are still going on. You can see from there, there's a new construction on my left side. On the left side, you've seen that. So that's it for today, guys. Don't miss out the coming adventure on Danny.